Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look at how to use Safelists for generating affiliate marketing leads and sales. And I'm going to show you a strategy that I use. I'm going to show you exactly why I use it. It's important to understand why we use this strategy because it's proven to work. I'll show you some proof of sales, and I'll show you I'm in Herculist, which I do recommend as one of the best safe list to use because it's got 166,000 members and it's an audience that's growing daily, and you're advertising to buyers within Herculist safe list, and there's also 6 other ways you can advertise totally for free on top of the safe list itself. So first of all, it's really key and really important that we understand the psychology behind why somebody buys. And this is called the rule of 7. And the marketing rule of 7 states that a prospect needs to hear the advertiser's message at least 7 times before they take action to buy that product or services. And this was a marketing strategy that was developed by the movie industry in the 1930s, and they're still using that now within the movie industry in Hollywood, nearly 100 years later, and that's because it works. So yes, you do have some impulse purchase buyers. You have people that see something and they buy it immediately or once or twice, but the general marketing rule of 7 applies to the majority of advertising. So what I do within Herculist, I'll just show you here, is you'll see I'm inside my credit mailer, my regular mailer history. So this it stores everything that I've emailed out for probably about the last 20 days. Now you'll see here that I'm emailing out the same subject title and the same email copy every single day for at least 7 days in a row, because I'm using the rule of 7, the marketing rule of 7. I'm letting people see my advertising message. I'm letting people see my excuse me, my advertising message here. Okay, we've gone to the dark side there. I don't know what's happened there. Let's go on to resubmit ad, but you'll see there, if I can just scroll down a bit more. All right, so you'll see I do it for more than 7 days, and I'm consistent with my message. Let's go on to resubmit ad, because I use the same lead capture page every single day. So I don't know what's happened here. Let's just X out of that, see if we can get rid of all that code. All right. That's never happened before. I'm not quite sure how I did that. I'm not really a coder. Anyway, so you'll see here when I go into resubmit ad, Hercules, it's great Hercules. It stores all your messages. And this is my advert. Now, when we scroll down, we can test the URL, and you'll see this is the lead capture page that I've been using for Easy Cash for ads. And that's the lead capture page that I'm showing you there. And that's the one that I use within the email copy. So what happens is, as a result of using this marketing rule of 7, I'm capturing people's information with the autoresponder, and I'm following up with a broadcast or an autoresponder series. So people with the autoresponder series or the broadcast can see my message at least 7 times by following up. And that's why it's really important that you use a broadcast system or an autoresponder, so people can see your message at least 7 times. So they're seeing it within the subject mailer with their inbox, and then I'm capturing their information here with the name and email address, and then I can follow up. So at least 7 times within the email marketing, they're seeing my message over and over and over again. And then what happens is you get results. I got five sales here within literally, I think it was a couple of weeks. The first two are qualifier sales, they get passed up, and the next three are actually 100% commissions that come to me. So you'll see here now, with the tracking that I use, I know that 2 out of 3 of these came from Herculist, because I use tracking on my actual advert, so I know exactly where the sales are coming from. So I know that Herculist includes buyers. I talk a lot about that in my other videos, because that's where I advertise this product, and that's where 2 out of these 3 sales come from. And now these are 100% commissions. It does say unpaid because we haven't had the actual commission run yet. And some people might think, well, you've been advertising for a week and you've only made $20. But this product here, Easy Cash for Ads, has got a leverage compensation plan where you put the foundations in place and you start new legs, and over time it has a compounding effect, so you can actually start to earn, like it says here, $10 bills online every day. But you've got to put the foundations in place with Easy Cash for Ads, like a lot of other systems. So don't just think of today, think of the future. Put systems in place like autoresponders, compensation plans with pass ups and leverage, that are going to build and serve you well and earn you more commissions in the future. So let's just have a little recap here. Herculist is free to join. There'll be a link in the description. Use the rule of 7 within your marketing campaigns. It's been proven to work for nearly 100 years within Hollywood. All corporate companies use it. Anybody in the sales industry uses the rule of 7 because it works. And use Safelists as a way to build your list. So when you email out to, like in Herculist, to 160,000 plus prospects, use the leverage of the Safelist to start to get you set up your lead capture pages like this one, and start to build your own list, so you can use the rule of 7 by promoting with an autoresponder, following up, or by using consistent broadcasting messages. And Herculist, you're advertising to buyers, so I just showed you some commission proof there. You'll see lots of my other videos on Herculist where I show commission proof of advertising to buyers. And I'll also be your one-to-one mentor and give you support if you want to join Herculist through my link, because I use it every single day in my marketing strategies. So if you've enjoyed the video, please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. I'd really appreciate your support with that. That will help me on my YouTube journey. And with the YouTube algorithm, the more likes that we get, then the more people get to see this video, and it helps them make money online as well. And please click subscribe and the bell icon for my new videos. I'm doing several new videos every single week, so I'm constantly putting out new content for you. And on the channel now, there's over 350 videos. If you want to have a look around the channel, we've got all the core fundamentals of making money online, which are the tools and the traffic and the training. You can't make money online without having the right tools, getting traffic to your offers, and training, continually learning and developing your skills. There's also some opportunities on here that might be of interest to you. We talk about list building. We show you proof, are very transparent on the channel. And we also do some videos on how to build a YouTube channel as well. So I've put some playlists together for you. And there is in here a Herculist Safelist reviews video playlist, sorry. Hercules plus reviews. I will pin this review playlist to the top comment below this video if you want to watch some more videos on Hercules and some of my reviews on there. And if you've got any questions at all on safe lists or lead capture pages, autoresponders, any aspect of this video, then please leave those questions in the comments, and I'll answer those questions for you. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.